Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new video. In our previous video we talked about car loan. In our today's video we also try to give you some information about car loan. So without any further interruption, let's get start our video. Okay, uh, we'll continue the blog from this part. Okay, the bulk of a monthly car payment goes toward the principal so that the total amount of the loan decreases steadily with each payment. As a borrower pays off more of the principal of the loan, he or she moves closer to full ownership of the car. The amount of money the borrower has paid toward full ownership is known as equity. In other words, with each loan payment, the borrower earns additional equity in the car. At the same time, the value of the car steadily what is the pronunciation of this word? Steadily.
Steadily.
Steadily. Okay. Steadily. What is the meaning of this? This is a new word for me. Steadily means অবচলিত ভাবে. Steadily. Okay. Steadily. 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 Okay. Steadily decrease over the course of the loan, meaning that the car will never be worth the amount of the original loan. For example, say borrower takes out a $10,000 loan to pay for a car. At the time of purchase, the car is worth about $10,000. 4 years later, when the borrower has paid off the loan, the car may be worth only $2,000. If the borrower has neglected to take good care of the car, it might be worth substantially less. This process may be which the car loses its value over time is known as depreciation. Okay. Traditionally, car loans are for short period, generally about 24 months and no longer than 36 months. In the 19th century, however, standard car loan period began to get longer. There were two key reasons for the change. For one, in the early 18th century, more and more consumers began to lease their cars. They paid a monthly fee in exchange for the right to drive a particular car rather than purchase car outright. Car leases were primarily attractive because they did not require a down payment and they tended to require lower monthly payments than traditional car loans. In order to compete with the car leasing industry, a number of lenders began to offer car loans for longer terms. As a result, loan period of 48, 16 and 72 months become standard. In some cases, borrowers are able to receive even longer period over which to repay their loans. Okay. Okay. As a result, loan period. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, wait for some time. We continue the video after some times. Okay. For example, when a borrower purchases a luxury vehicle, a car, a truck, What is your problem? A car, a truck, or another vehicle that is more expensive than average car and generally include additional features designed to increase car performance and comfort. He or she will sometimes have as long as 84 months to repay the loan. In the early 21st century, a luxury car was generally defined as a vehicle costing in excess $13,000. From the early 19th century to the middle of the following decade, the proportion of Americans who own luxury cars rose from 10 to 13%. This overall rise in the price of motor vehicle was the second significant reason that standard car loan became longer in duration. Recent trend about this, the most recent trend, now we're trying to share the most recent about trend about car loans. Okay. As with a number of other types of loans, car loans have become increasingly available over the internet since the late 19th century. There are many advantages involved with shopping for car loans online. For one, shopping for loans online allow consumers to compare interest rates from a wide range of lenders in a relatively short amount of time. Therefore, giving them a better chance of securing the best deal. Also, because online car loan companies record little cost overhead, the expenses involved with running a business, including renting an office, paying employees, buying office supplies, and so on, they can often offer consumer lower interest rates than those offered by traditional banks. So that's all about car loans from the Encyclopedia Post. And in our next video we'll try to give you more information from other blog posts about car loan. If you like our today's video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and those people who wants to know about car loan, then you can also share this video with them. I think they will get a lot of information about car loan, and they will get a information that will help them in future. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye.